Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the pike stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the extended single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the pike stitch. This is what it is going to look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make an odd number. You're then going to work a extended single into the third chain. Chain one, skip one, work an extended. Chain one, skip one, work an extended for your first row. Then for your second row and any future rows, I'm going to show you how to make on the row that I'm currently working. So I have made 3 chains on my hook. You're going to skip over this first stitch right here. You're going to skip over this opening. You're going to work an extended single crochet into the second stitch. Make a chain. Skip over this opening, make an extended single into this next extended single, chain one, skip over this opening, make an extended single into this next stitch, chain one, skip over this opening, make an extended single in the middle of this stitch, and you're going to repeat this for the rest of your row. So when you get to the last stitch, you're going to make that extended single. You're going to make a chain one and you're going to skip this opening right here. You're going to work into the previous chain. You're just going to make an extended single. And that is going to match the chain 3 that you made at the beginning of your row. So now you can see that all the extended singles that we made line up together. And then all of the holes or the openings made from the chains are going to line up together. And that is going to be how to make the pike stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.